Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this Palak waffles. This is a spicy version waffle. It's healthy, perfect for diabetic people and who are looking forward for dieting. So it's a very nice waffle to serve for breakfast or for tiffin. I'll be showing you a detailed recipe. So let's look into all the ingredients required for this recipe and get started. We would require spinach, ginger, 1 cup oats. You can also use masala oats, rava or semolina, green chilies and curry leaves, cumin seeds, 1 pinch of cooking soda, baking powder 1 pinch, asafoetida, and yogurt. We need plain yogurt, sweet curds. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of oil. Now, once the oil reaches temperature, I'll be adding cumin seeds. I will allow the cumin seeds to splutter. Now, I'll be adding ginger, chilies, curry leaves. I'll fry it a bit. I'll be adding the spinach. Fry the spinach for a minute's time. It will eventually wilt down. We need to cook the spinach because it has got a very hard stem. Here, especially in India, we get very tender spinach, but then it is advised for you to cook it further. So that's the reason I'll add a splash of water and cook it. I've added Asafoetida. Now I'll add half a cup of water. Just very little amount of water. We do not need too much of water. I'll place this on medium flame and cook the spinach. I've also added salt as per taste. I've added about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Now the spinach has cooked. It was cooking for almost 5 to 10 minutes. The spinach is well done. I'll remove it from the flame and allow it to cool down completely. We need to blend this in the grinder. Now in a small mixer jar, I'll be adding semolina and oats. I'll grind this first into a powder format. I just kept pulsing it and I ground it into a powder format. So now once the oats and semolina have ground into a fine powder format, I'm going to transfer it to a larger bowl where I'll be combining the spinach puree along with the powdered semolina and oats. In the same mixer jar, I'll be transferring the spinach that I cooked earlier. It has cooled down completely. I'll just add the baking powder and the cooking soda and the spinach. I'll grind it into a smooth puree. If needed, you can add little water. Now the spinach puree is done. I'm going to transfer it to the semolina and oats. Combine the puree and the oats. I'll be adding the yogurt. Check for salt, add salt at the very end. Now once this is combined, I'll allow this to rest for 10 minutes on the kitchen counter before preparing the waffles. Now this has to rest. This video recipe is in collaboration with Prestige. Prestige actually contacted me and sent me over their waffle maker. I must really thank the PR and the Prestige company for this waffle maker. I'm really enjoying it. So it's very simple to handle. All you need to do is preheat the waffle maker. Once the green light turns on, it's only then you have to start preparing your waffles. I lightly grease my waffle maker with a little bit of coconut oil. You do not have to do that. You can use your waffle maker as it is because this is non-stick coated. I've started to ladle the batter and I'm going to prepare the waffles. It's very simple to use. You just need to preheat it for 10 minutes. Once the green light turns on, your waffle maker is ready. So here you can see there is a lot of steam escaping on the sides. You need not worry. The steam actually cooks the waffle. Once the steam reduces, that's when your waffle is done. And once the green light turns on, you can open your waffle maker and you can start serving your waffles. What I would suggest you to do is just allow the waffle to cook on the green light itself for a few more minutes until it turns light golden brown in color in all the edges. You can serve this waffles as it is. It does not require any chutney of any sort. You can serve it as it is or with some mayonnaise or ketchup if needed. But we liked it as it is. It was nice and spicy. You can also serve these waffles with chutney powder. This was excellent recipe, friends. Do give this recipe a try. I'll post the detailed recipe on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video. Or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipes are also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.